Did you know that allergies affect nearly 30% of adults and 40% of children? Allergies happen when our immune system mistakenly identifies harmless substances like pollen or certain foods as threats. This can lead to sneezing, itching, and a whole lot of discomfort. Common triggers include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and even certain foods. For example, peanuts and shellfish are notorious for causing serious reactions. Each season brings its own challenges too. Spring is all about blooming flowers, while fall can flood the air with ragweed pollen. Understanding what sets off your allergies is key to managing them effectively. Regular cleaning can help reduce dust mites, and knowing the pollen forecast can keep your symptoms in check. If your allergies are bothering you, it's a good idea to consult a doctor for personalized advice. Learn more at healthnode.com.